Sophie stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Sophie Technologies is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Looking at this thing just keeps going higher and higher. Like no question there. 3.5% up, even more than that. $3.75 up, you know. And yeah, I'm looking to take it even higher. You see, I have a line pointing towards the upside. I would not like randomly just start buying, you know, just jumping on the bandwagon. More so, I'm looking at this for, you know, for it to pull down, you know, and like pull back down eventually and give me that double break so I can take higher. Just a little retracement. Now, just for context, all I'm using is a strategy that I've refined over 28,000 times over the last 4 years. That's how much videos I've made, you know. So you see, like, there's a lot of nuance back to this. But other than that, if you pull back down in this demand area or something like here, for example, that's something that I would consider. But for right now, I just kind of let it go without any FOMO in. But if you want to like make more profits by taking less trades, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. That's a free course right there. Check it out.